Hello students. Today we are discussing about how to creating a or insert a chart in a MS Excel. Okay. So I'll start MS Excel. Where MS Excel? So MS Excel, now open your MS Excel and maximize now. So how can you insert a chart? Any chart on your MS Excel. So already discussed column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart. Okay. So now page number 22. To insert a chart, select the cell you want to chart. It is called cell. So this, you see this, it is called cell. This one. Okay. Now already discussed. It is column and row. Okay. So per row and column already discussed, and it is called cell. Okay. This one. Okay. So now select the cell you want to chart. Select the cell. Suppose I want to select this one. Okay. And including the column titles and row labels, this cell will be the source data for the chart. Select the cell you want to chart. I want to select this cell, and now recommended chart. All chart. Okay. So see this line, column, this one. Okay. But series and not available. Series, column. Okay. Column chart bar is not available. Why? Chart bar is not available. So before you insert a chart, you can also type a enter a chart data. Okay. So step 2, from the insert tab, click the desired chart command. In our example, we will select column, so the desired chart tab. Okay. So select the cell you want to chart. Select this cell, including the column title. So column title, that means column title. Already last class we have discussed column, row and column. Okay. So including the column title. Suppose column title is column title, this one column. Okay. This one column only used for chart, but basically we know this side is horizontal. Okay. Horizontal, that means row, and this side is column. Okay. So but already discussed, when you enter number or name in your horizontal line, then it shows the chart column. Okay. So you can use insert including the column titles and row level. So row level, that means suppose just wait, you can start, you can enter number or name. Just number, I can type number, just one, name. Okay. And name 2, name 3. Okay. And column row, no, row number, class, section. Okay. So now you can type hello means, suppose roll number is 3 and name 2, name 3, roll number is 4, and suppose name 3 and name 4, roll number is 5. Okay. And class, name 2 class is 5, name 3 class is 6, name 4 class is 7. Section, suppose section A, section B, and class 7 section A. Okay. So now you select this cell and insert button. It is called tab, insert tab. Sorry, button, not a button. Okay, tab. So home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. Okay. So now we can use insert tab, recommended search. You can also use recommended search, but no problem. I can use this one. This one. Recommended search. Okay, recommended search. You can also show it. Start bar is available. Okay, but roll number, class and section. Roll number, class, you can see also only show one start bar. Name 2, name 3, name 4. That means name 2, name 3, name 4. Okay, and series is roll number, class, section. Roll number is this one, blue color. Class is 5 and section is A and B. Okay, wait. You can also type numerical number, digit. Yes, a numerical number. Okay, so also roll number 3, 4, 5 is also you also see it. Start is available. Roll number is available in this chart. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but class and section is not available. Why? Because class is a 5, 6, 8. So I can use class 5 numerical number 6 and 8. Okay, so you see this also recommended that 8. Two series is available now, and last section is not available. Why? Because AB is not a numerical number, so you can also use numerical number AB. Just you enter type section is a, suppose section is a 20 and name to section is a 30 and name for section is a 40. Okay, so now you can select cell and new recommended chart, and you can see also three series is available. Okay, so column chart, we can use column chart. Okay, first column chart, so click OK. Okay, so see this series 1, series 2, series 3, series 1, series 2, series 3, series 1, series 2, series 3, and category 1, category 2, category 3. You can see this also. Category 1, that means data series. Okay, data series 1, data series 2, data series 3, data series 1, data series 2, data series 3, data series 1, 2, 3. Okay, and category, this one called category. Okay, so creating a chart, also we have also used a chart in our MS Excel. So shows the desired chart type from the drop down menu. So select chart will be inserted into the worksheet. Okay, and chart and layout style. Layout style. So after inserting a chart, there are several things you may want to change about the way your data is displayed. It is easy to edit and chart layout and style from the design. Okay, Excel allow you to add chart element such as chart title, legend, and data label. To make your chart easier to read, to add a chart element, click the Add Chart Element command on the Design tab, then choose the desired element from the drop-down menu. Design tab. You can use Chart Element command on the Design tab. You can show also Design tab. Okay. Design tab. Okay. So Design tab then shows the desired element from the drop-down menu. Shows the change chart type. This one is chart type. You can also use it. Okay. So now we can use just design color. This one you can also use it color. Okay, and next drop down menu and see this style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4. Okay, now I can use it chart 1, this one. Okay, and one should. Okay, this one. So you can see this chart style is changes from first chart. Okay, so to edit a chart, element like a start title, simply double click the placeholder and begin typing. This one. Double click on the start title, and now you can write this. Okay. Suppose chapter part 2. Okay. You see this chapter 2. Title is chapter 2. Okay. So now, if you don't want to add start element individually, you can use one of Excel predefined layout. Simply click the quick layout command, then shows the desired layout from the drop down. Okay, drop down menu. Design view also use it, but formula page layout insert or also use it design. When you insert your chart, after inserting a chart, you can also use it design. Then difference, you can see this different style of chart. Okay, so now select any one style of chart. Now I select this. Okay, so now, and again is how can you change this title of chart? Double click on the title, this one. You can show this plus symbol on mouse cursor. Okay, so double click on chart title. Okay, and now enter your title. So chapter 2 already used this. So Excel. Okay. Okay, so now click here. Okay, okay, okay. If you change any data series color, then you double click on the data series. You can show this blue color border is appear here. Yes, so you can double click on data series and you can use fill option, and you can use solid fill, and you change your data series color. Okay, suppose yellow color, this one yellow, this one solid fill, you can also use solid fill. Okay, red color, this one is dark blue color. Okay, dark blue color. Okay, you can see this. Okay, now also continue this. Here data series 1, this one data series 3. Okay, data series 3, data series 3, and you can also data series 1, same process. Double click on the data series and click on the fill and line option and click on the solid fill option. Okay, so now change it blue, light blue. Okay, same process, solid fill, dark blue. Okay, this one solid fill, you can also use suppose black. Okay, see this. Okay, chart and layout style. Okay, layout is a chart and layout. So page number 22, how can you insert a chart in your MS Excel? So already discussed. And how can you change color on your chart? Okay, so if you don't want already. Okay, next 23 page of Excel also includes several chart styles which allow you to quickly modify the look and feel of your chart. To change the chart style, select the desired style from the chart style group. This one chart style group. Where? Change chart type. Chart style group. Quick layout. This one. Quick layout. Okay. Okay. Change this also. Okay. Layout. Just use for layout. Okay. 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 So Excel also quickly includes several chart styles which allow you to quickly modify the look and feel of your chart. To change the chart style, select the desired style from the chart style group. You can also click the drop down arrow on the right to see more style. Okay, you can also use quick style, and your start looks modify and looks and feel of your chart. Totally modify. You can also modify your chart look and feel when you use it. Quick layout and change color also use it. But when you use this change color, then also use it. Also you can see this data series 3, data series 3, same color. Data series 2, data series 2, same color. Data series 1, data series 1, same color. But if you changes one data series, reference data series color, change the reference color data series, then you click on the data series which you want to change it, then changes the color, change the color, okay, and then double click on the data series and solid fill option and shows the color, okay, suppose red color, okay, you can see this, okay. Next, you can also use the chart formatting shortcut button to quickly and add chart element. Changes the chart style and filter to chart data. Then format. Other chart option. Other chart option. Okay. There are many other. There are many other way to customize and organize your chart. For example, Excel allow you to rearrange a chart data, changes the chart type, and even move the chart to a different location in your workbook. Okay, switch row column data, switch row and column data, switch row and column data. You can use it, switch row and column data. This one, okay, switch row and column data. You can also use it. Okay, that means what? Roll number, category, roll number, class, and section. Switch row and data. And name to name 3 name 2. So when I switch row column button use, then you can see this also roll number class is section. That means row, but roll number class section is column. Okay. Again you can use switch row name 2 name 3 name 4. Name 2 name 3 name 4 is a column. Okay. Is it used for column? Okay. You can change it row and column. Okay. Switch row column data. Also you change the row and column data. Sometimes you may want to change the way chart group your data. For example, in the chart below book sales data is grouped by general with columns for each month. However, we could switch the row and columns to so that the chart will group the data by month with columns for each genre. In both cases, the chart contains the same data. It just organized differently. Following the given step to do same. Step 1, select the chart you want to modify. Suppose from the design tab, select the switch row common column. The row and column will be switched in our example. That data is now grouped by the month and column grouped by each gender. You can also already discuss switch row. Okay. You can show also switch row column, switch row and column. When you switch row and column button use, then see this roll number class section is a this type. Yes, column. Column is available in chart. But when you switch row column again, when you switch row column button again use it, then you can see this name 2, name 3, name 4 available is here. Okay. So this process nothing is important. Okay. Okay. All of students read the chapter page number 22, 23 and 24. Okay.